everyone, welcome back to Flight Education. Today we'll be exploring sentence structure for 2nd to 3rd graders. Please have in front of you the worksheet for 2nd to 3rd graders on sentence structure, which is linked below in the description or can be found on our website, which is also linked below. Today we'll be working in the section called Video Exercises. So what is sentence structure? Each complete sentence has something called a subject and a predicate. A subject is what or whom the sentence is about. The predicate is what the subject is or does. Now, these definitions can be a little bit confusing, so let's take a look at some examples. And all of these examples I'll be going over are actually on your worksheet, so make sure to follow along and help me identify which parts of the sentences are subject and predicate. So our first sentence, the dog was white. What is the subject of this sentence? What is the sentence about? The sentence is about the dog. So let's circle the entire subject. The subject is the dog because the whole sentence is centered around the dog. Now, what is the predicate? What part of the sentence is describing what the subject is or does? Was white is the entire predicate. It is telling us what the subject, the dog, is. The dog was white. Our next example, Allie likes to play soccer. Take a moment and circle which portion of the sentence you think is the subject. Well, Allie is the subject because Allie is what the sentence is about. Now take another second to underline which portion you think is the predicate. Likes to play soccer is the entire predicate because it is describing what the subject is or does. It is telling us that Allie likes to play soccer. And our final example, the students of Mountain High like to read. Now this one's a little bit more tricky, but take another second and try and see if you can identify the entire subject. Well, the entire subject of this sentence is actually the students of Mountain High. It's this entire thing. And that's because the sentence isn't just about the students. It's about the students of Mountain High. So that is the entire subject. Now, what is the predicate? Go ahead and underline that. Well, the predicate is like to read. It's like to read because it is describing what the students of Mountain High, the subject, is or does. So I hope these examples gave you a better idea of what the definitions of subject and predicate are. There are tons of examples and practice problems for you to continue working on the worksheet you have in front of you right now. So please make sure to work on those, and the answer key to that worksheet is linked below in the description and is available on our website as well. If you like any of these videos, please make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. If you have any comments or any concerns, please feel free to comment down below or shoot us an email. We'll be happy to recommend other resources for you guys during this time. Thanks for joining, guys. Hope you learned something.